So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford white electric water heater. Model number, serial numbers right here. This is the RE350S6. And so anyways, we reused the existing electrical coming out of the wall. It was a little far away, but we got it back in. No big deal. You know, it'd be nice if you could, well, you got a lot of joints you can see there. Then of course down there the wall's open, whatnot, but probably start patching some of those up, especially where it goes from the garage to the home. Separate project anyway. So we gave you a new valve here and a new pipe coming out of the wall. You can see that. Brand new pipe. The other one was corroded, pretty much closed. And then the same thing over here. Give you a brand new pipe. Give you 2 shutoff valves. The reason why is we wanted to get the water back onto the home so they can continue to use the toilets and sinks and whatnot. So just give you 2 valves. And then go to brass and then stainless steel. So the stainless steel comes over and connects to the tank on the cold side and the hot side. So water's back on, we got it filled, and then we checked the other water heater that's on the opposite side of the home existing, make sure it still had water in it, and then we turned both the breakers back on. So right now, this water heater is heating the water, and probably take a couple hours to get that done. Relief valve is installed, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to this existing line. This is in the wall, goes out and stubs out of the backyard right there. Upper third adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap, and then a brass drain valve. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.